Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this super cute bunny ears washcloth, and I'm going to show you how to make any washcloth into this really cute bunny here. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I used um, the lemon peel stitch for this washcloth here. It's super simple, you guys. If you want a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments. This one is a 9 by 9, and basically you can do any washcloth that you have on hand if you have a favorite stitch, or if you already know how to make a washcloth. This is perfect for you. But yeah, let me know if you want a tutorial on that stitch. Okay, so you are going to need obviously your washcloth, and I use a string of the same yarn so I can tie it around. Okay, so you're going to grab a corner of your washcloth, and this is super simple, you guys. You're just going to roll it up like so and keep rolling until you reach that last little corner there. Alrighty, so here you have it. Now you're just going to fold, and I like the little floppy ear here. It looks so adorable. Okay, then we grab our strand of yarn, and we're going to tie with that yarn that I told you guys. And I'm just going to tie mine one time. You can do this twice just to make it extra secure. And I was looking everywhere, you guys, for a cute little ribbon, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I just used my yarn. But I think if you find a ribbon, it would look even more adorable. But I still love mine, so yeah, I just tied my yarn and then made a little bow, and that was it, you guys. So here you go, you guys. This floppy ear is adorable. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.